What's up guys, I'm Tom. Welcome back to my channel. Well, I hope everyone is doing alright amidst this coronavirus thing. Hopefully everyone is staying safe, staying home if you can. If you can't and you're an emergency or an essential worker, my heart goes out to you and a genuine thanks for doing what you guys are doing and keeping everything going. So with all this time on our hands, I hope that some of you are taking this time to work on a skill that maybe you've wanted to work on for a long time and just haven't found the time. For me, it was actually taking this recurve bow out of the closet and starting to practice with that again. I bought it a few years ago and shot it a couple of times and then just kind of moved on to other things and didn't have the time. So as I found myself kind of looking for things to do after cleaning the house and doing all those other things that everyone else is doing, I decided to work on my marksmanship skills with the bow. And I am an avid marksman, throwing things, whether it be darts, horseshoes, bow and arrow, whatever, even some unconventional stuff like the extension cord toss. But on to the matter at hand. So we have an air hose that's still in decent condition. But the mode of failure on these things is always, you know, them dry rotting and this thing breaking down. So today we are going to fix this with some simple stuff, easy fix, something that if you carry a few things in the work truck with you, you know, you can even do this right in the field if it happens to fail. I do like these thick rubber hoses, but that's kind of the downfall. It seems I get about a year before they finally crack and dry rot to the point where it starts leaking. And it's almost always, you know, right near the fitting. So let's get to fixing this thing. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is cut it past where it failed. So we have this brass crimped part, and that's what we're actually going to have to remove. So you can use a hacksaw to remove it, or if you have something else, a power tool. I'm actually just going to use this grinder because it's brass, so it's going to go through it real nice and quick and easy. So then after you cut your little circle around it, you're just going to go long ways. There you go. Remove that brass. Then you can actually cut the rest of this off. I left a little bit of it on just so I had, you know, something to grab onto, a little more to work with. And then you can just work on peeling the rubber off of there, or just cut it off. Then after you get the rubber piece off, you slip that off of there. And there you go. Now you have your regular barbed fitting that can go right back into the hose. It's just to ensure that we have a seal. I'm just going to put a little bit of pipe dope on there. And there you go. Put the clamp on. Pop that baby on there. I'm going to cheat, but you can use a flathead screwdriver, a nut driver for this. What I'll do is I'll just cut this piece of clamp off of there so it doesn't stick out as much. And then I'll actually just take that to the grinder so it's not sharp anymore. So the grinder was still leaving me a little bit of a sharp edge, so I'm just gonna run the file on it a couple times and just knock those burrs off. And then I'll just squeeze that in and bend it in. All right, so let's plug the compressor in and see if it's leak free. Well, that's it. Compressor's all pressured up and we got no leaks. Ready to get back to work. You know, there's other methods of fixing it, but I like this because now once it dry rots and breaks again, just cut a little bit more off of it, unscrew the clamp, pull it out, pop it in, done. So it's an easy fix. I hope this helps you guys out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.